do, double tap on that screen for me, show your girl some love. In today's video, I will be doing Zendaya Met Gala look. So I already did one side of the face for you guys. So it's mostly simple. It's mostly like brown and nude colors. And she had like a reddish orange lipstick. So I'm going to just show you guys how I recreate Zendaya makeup look. So just join me and let's have some fun. So we're going to use I Envy Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the dark brown eyeshadow. I'm going to use for my brows. Come on, everybody. 10:58. Okay, hey, I missed you. Okay, so we're going to just use some dark brown eyeshadow for the brow part. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my live. If you haven't already, please double tap that screen for me. Show your girl some love. Don't be a stranger. We're having fun. We also going to be using the Nicka K. This is 07 Acorn. I'm going to use this color for under my brows. So we're going to do this Zendaya makeup look. Welcome to my live, everybody. If you haven't already, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. Don't be a stranger. Double tap for me, please. Yes, everybody requested me to do Zendaya and Left Eye, but I wasn't able to do both because I have to go to work, so I had to pick one. So I'm going to come back live TikTok as well. We're going to do Left Eye no scrub inspired makeup tutorial. I'm going to use this sponge and we're going to have fun again. So you guys just stay tuned tonight. I'm blending that concealer for you guys. And then I'm going to go back in and use my angle brush. And then I'm going to blend out that concealer. And then I'm going to do that as well. Going to shape my brow with the concealer, with the angle brush. Just making sure that they are both even on both sides. So that's the hard thing about my brows. Like one side is kind of like more fuller than the other. So, and all I'm using is some eyeshadow for my brows, you guys. I'm not using pencil, just eyeshadow. Eyeshadow make it look more natural. That's all I'm using. I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow. Okay, so they look about even. But let me see, can I get this side? Okay, you're gonna have to go because you're being too sexualized. Hey guys, I'm sorry I had to put somebody in timeout because I'm being very inappropriate. I don't have time for that. Alright guys, so the eyebrows are even. Okay, so now we're going to go in. We're going to use the same makeup palette, but it's mostly we're going to use our nude colors in today's video. So I'm going to go in and use Love Bite. And because all Zendaya hers is mostly a nude color. And then I'm going to go in with like the little dark brown. But I'm going to use the small angle brush again. And I'm just going to apply it like in here first. And then I'm going to apply some like under the eye part. And then I'm going to go back in and use Top Secret. Because like she used like a little reddish color. But mostly it's nude. So I'm just going to use a little bit. And then I'm going to go back in with the Love Bite and the nude colors. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen for me. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Show your girls some love. Come on, everybody. Double tap for me. Alright, so I'm going to use a little bit of brown. So now I'm going to use my favorite lashes, you guys. It is the I Envy newest lash line. It's the Crystal Glow Trident. And these are how the lashes look. They look very natural, very easy, and they're not like really heavy and thick. And I'm going to use my 3D Lash Glue Clear. And I'm going to apply around the rim of the lash. So these are the lashes, and we're going to apply them on, you guys. Gonna apply. If you guys are just coming on, please double tap for me and show your girls some love. Double tap, double tap. Alright, guys. So now I'm going to apply some concealer. So we're going to start with the dark color. I'm just putting like little dots. And then I'm going to use my, this was the Absolute New York 2-in-1 Foundation Cool Cafe number 05. If you guys are interested in the concealer I'm using the liquid foundation Kiss Professional. This is by I Envy. This is the 332 Classic Tan. This is one of the popular colors that they're usually sold out of. I'm going to I'm going to apply a little. Because you don't need that much. And then I'm going to use Nika K03. This is the color Tan. I'm going to apply a little light to it. I'm going to apply a little light underneath. And that's it. And then I'm going to use my F spray, the primer grip spray, and I'm going to spray twice. And then I'm going to blend in the darker concealer first so it can look very natural. And then you just take your time. Applying that concealer. And then we're going to go back in and do the second layer. Just blending in the second layer. And then we're going to go underneath the eyes. Just apply it. If you guys are just coming onto my live, please double tap for me and show your girl some love. And then after that, I'm going to take my sponge and just make sure that everything is blended in perfectly. So I'm just going back over the areas that I applied the concealer and making sure that the concealer is blended, which is the most important aspect of doing makeup, is making sure that your concealer is blended in beautifully. Alright, and then we're going to go in with some lipstick. We're going to use the lip balm. This is Ruby Kisses Orange Red. I'm going to apply some here towards the top. I'm going to double tap that screen. Don't cost a thing. Sharing like this live. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Yvonne. Then I'm going to use Ruby Kisses. This is a coral red, so I'm just going to apply here. And I'm going to mix those two colors together. And then I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to just go around the lip portion. And then the last thing we have to do now is apply some blush. I'm just making sure that everything is blended perfectly. So we're going to be doing that Zendaya makeup look, if you guys can see. I'm going to use my Pearl 1 by IMV. I'm going to use the color 03. It's like a lightish pink color. I'm just applying one. And then I'm just going to blend in that blush like that. And that's it. That is the finished look. Just making sure everything is blended in perfectly. And this is the finished look, you guys. Me recreating Zendaya Met Gala makeup look. She just had it mostly like a nude color and just look very natural. I'm going to use a little bit more brown towards the end. So it just looked mostly natural. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back later on tonight. I will be doing left eye, no scrub inspired makeup look. So you guys just be on the lookout for that tonight. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Also follow me on my Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. And my personal Instagram is sexyriri_93. All of the social media sites that I just named, they will be in my bio. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I will see y'all tonight. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for showing love. Thank you, Miss Yvonne Ward, for showing so much love. And I will see y'all later. Bye.